Ziggurat Products, just want to go over the frequently asked questions we get from customers. We do include instructions. However, I wanted to go a little bit more in depth on how the connections fit and some best practices. Take the snap connector and the hose and make sure that the snap connector, the fingers are all the way out. And as you put it on the hose, fingers go on the inside of the hose.
Pull the hose in like this.
The more the hose is extended, the easier it will go onto the 90-degree elbow connector. If it's bunched up a little bit, it will be a tighter fit.
90-degree elbow.
You can see, push that on, should just snap right on into place. Before you install, measure the diameter of the dryer vent or the wall vent. It should fall between 3.95 to 4.15.
The seal ring, we're going to place that on.
This PVC seal ring should stretch right over the dryer vent. Should be easy to install. It does stretch very well. It's fire resistant as well. The 90 elbow can rotate wherever your dryer vent needs to go. So as you put this on,
you can angle this however you need to.
Up to the side.
The hose goes up, then you'd want more like this.
But should be a nice snug fit.
The side. This one's to the side. I'm going to just connect it.
The 90 elbow is designed to go right up against the wall. If it is not against a wall, you may want to consider using some HVAC tape, HVAC tape, and just place that around, snug it around where the dryer and the 90 dryer vent and the 90 meet up.
Be ready to roll.
Otherwise, pushed against the wall, it will be a great snug connection, easy to access, to go clean out in the future. You are supposed to clean your dryer about every year, the dryer vent, make sure it's clear and free of any debris or lint.